Get ready for an adrenaline-charged spectacle. The deafening roar of engines, the electrifying crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of giant trees crashing to the ground in mere seconds. Today's video takes logging to unprecedented heights, delivering action you can't afford to miss. Look at this guy. You can't help but admire his confidence as he eyes the towering cedar with a look that says, "This should be a breeze." Trust me, bringing down a tree of this magnitude is anything but a simple task.
So it did get to go sideways in the big hole.
Whoa! And there's Maddie!
Oh my, this is exactly why hard hats and skilled professional arborists are essential. Next time, ensure you're equipped with proper protective gear or leave it to the experts. Removing tree stumps after felling is no easy task, especially in the extreme cold of -15 degrees Celsius. Yet, this lumberjack performs his job with unwavering passion. Each cut feels like a moment of pure joy for him. The Valtra A93 tractor, with a maximum power of 101 horsepower, a hydraulic capacity of 52 liters per minute, and a lifting capacity of 3.3 tons, showcases remarkable hauling performance. This machine excels at conquering tough terrains while transporting heavy loads. Isn't it truly a beast of a machine, folks? It seems our trusty Forza 650 is struggling a bit. I'm no mechanic, but I do know a thing or two about maximizing equipment performance. The plow might be digging too deep, or perhaps the angle isn't quite right. A small adjustment can make a big difference, saving both time and money in the long run. Do you feel the same way? If so, drop a 1 below. Oh wow, he's swinging like Tarzan. But let's not joke around. This situation is extremely dangerous. Next time, make sure to call for extra help. We are witnessing these craftsmen as they fell a 200-year-old cedar tree. With deep reverence for nature, they carefully select mature trees for harvesting while protecting young saplings to sustain the vitality of the forest. These loggers are not just tree cutters, they are forest guardians, preserving a legacy that has lasted for centuries. Watching a saw cut a 34-inch log into beautiful and precise wooden planks up close is truly fascinating. As a wood enthusiast, I find it almost like a soothing lullaby. How about you?
Oh shit.
Oh no, there goes the house. This is definitely not a job for amateurs. The MTZ machine is the ideal solution for logging, featuring a powerful 150 horsepower engine and a towing capacity of up to 50 millicords of wood per hour. Its modern design ensures maximum comfort and exceptional control for operators. The efficient tree protection system guarantees safety and sustainability. MTZ, the perfect choice for forestry. Cutting down an ancient, towering white pine that surpasses the length of the woodsman's saw is a challenge that arises frequently. Yet, with his expertise, he knows exactly how to handle the task, turning the daunting feat of felling the giant tree into a surprisingly effortless endeavor.
But 1% down.
Unbelievable. Witness the incredible power of this compact machine. Equipped with a 30 horsepower Wisconsin gas engine, it effortlessly takes on a stump many times its size. This is a stunning demonstration of determination, efficiency, and a remarkable testament to the brilliance of human engineering. Heavy hauling is a high-stakes endeavor where experience and precision take center stage. These professionals masterfully strike a delicate balance between power and control, ensuring that every load reaches its destination safely and efficiently. The Tiger Cat 620E skidder features a powerful 275 horsepower engine, delivering high performance and handling up to 40 tons of timber per hour. With a comfortable cabin, advanced control systems, and a design optimized to protect young trees, this machine offers exceptional convenience and efficiency. It is the perfect solution for sustainable forestry operations. Get ready to watch these skilled craftsmen take on this 30-year-old tree. You definitely won't be disappointed. Sick of that unsightly stump in your yard? Don't strain your back or drain your wallet. This compact grinder is a true game changer. Rent it for under $100 and bid farewell to that stump forever. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't forget to click on the video at the corner of the screen to check out more captivating videos. See you in the next one.